I'm excited to be giving a talk this year at AWS reInvent about maintaining software excellence as you adopt AI coding assistants. In other words, how do we move fast and not break things? One thing we really understand is that most organizations have adopted AI coding assistants at a very high rate, but the majority of them don't understand the impact that's having on their customers or their organization. Is it actually leading to more velocity? Is it leading to better customer experiences? Is it leading to fewer or more incidents? What is it doing to your MTTR? Regardless of that, I think it's really important to understand how do you maintain a high bar of excellence. Just because AI is writing more code doesn't make us less responsible for maintaining a high bar of software excellence, because at the end of the day, that is what we owe our customers and that is what we deliver to our customers. And so I wanted to give you guys a sneak preview of some of the key takeaways and things I'm going to be talking about during this presentation. So kind of diving in, first takeaway. We know and we have data that AI is speeding up development. People are moving faster, they are shipping more. However, it is amplifying risk. AI is, as the new DORA report from this year so aptly called out, it is an amplifier or a mirror. It makes the things that are already wrong in your process worse. So for example, if you have holes in your vulnerability management process, you may be introducing more security issues because of AI. If you have a bottleneck in your PR review cycle, it could cause more issues there. It amplifies those issues. And so AI is helping us move faster, but it also amplifies our risk. The second thing is, in this talk, we're going to be working backwards, going from first principles to figure out, why do we care about software excellence? What does it mean? And how, especially as it pertains to AI? And then what are the right foundations that can enable safe AI adoption? Sneak preview here, things like testing and ownership and vulnerability management, things that we really understand today as being great practices, are still important in an AI first world. And they're important to help us maintain that speed without losing the quality that we owe our customers at the end. And then finally, things like having a culture of accountability, having the right guardrails, controls, and governance around it can really help. This is the same concept that we have in platform engineering or self-service, right? We think about, how do we give our teams autonomy with guardrails? How do we give people a definition of what good looks like and allow them to operate with autonomy within those boundaries? And that's the same thing when it comes to AI. So creating the right culture, creating the right controls around AI adoption, security, operational readiness, production readiness processes, ownership processes can help maintain and create that culture of software excellence. Now, obviously, the talk is going to go into a lot more detail than this. Like I mentioned, going from first principles, defining what software excellence is as it pertains to AI, talking about what you should care about and what those outcomes are, and then combining those two things together to say, hey, these are the foundations that will lead to safe AI adoption. I'm very excited for this talk. I know it's something that's very top of mind for us, for a lot of our customers who are using Cortex to drive these kinds of things across their organizations. And it's something that we know from the engineering leadership report that we publish that is on top of mind for a lot of engineering leaders as well. So if you're interested, make sure to come out to the talk at reInvent. More details below. Thanks.